Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry, just to catch a video. Right, we got rain now, so we actually can see where that our plan worked by using felt trays to direct water in gutter, and as you can see it does. What it does, it drops onto the upper felt tray, then it drops into lower felt tray and water gets directed into the gutter. So our plan has worked. Yeah, as you can see, nothing goes beyond that point and it's all working fine. So yeah, happy about that. I thought it would work, but you know, you never know. And yeah, it does work, and happy days. It's all good also with, you know, rain. It's not spilling over anywhere, so all the water gets directed in the gutters. That's the result. So yeah, as you know, I'm working inside now, getting that ready for plastering tomorrow. So we boarded it. I'm just working on finishing troughs, and then let plasters to finish their bit. So I hope you're enjoying it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry, just to catch a video. As you can see, we have finally finished. This is the finish of this project. So we have added in LEDs with dimmers, so we can dim them. Let me just, so they can be dimmed. So you can see that's without it. So just turn the light off as well. So that's this inside's all done, all painted white, just for cleaner look. There's outside. The scaffold's nearly gone, so it's all pretty much complete. I hope you have enjoyed this type of work, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.